Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down and find the option additional settings here. Then let's scroll down and localize the option accounts and sync. And here we've got our Google account added, so let me start with removing it. So let's simply tap on it, tap on more, and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again to confirm, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Of course, if you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm your step. So now let's add the account. Simply tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and wait patiently. So here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Alright, and tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, let's be patient because it might take a while. Alright, so here we've got the Google services, specifically the backup, so you can either use it, tap on turn on backup or don't backup. It's completely up to you. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.